Hello family, hello. Now thank you ever so much for tuning in. Now I have got great news. It's incredible because over the years you would have noticed, or I'm sure you are aware, that I do use the Claypots a lot. Yes. So of course it's natural for me to stock that up by Indudu, and I'm so happy. And I have selected unique pieces that you will only find on by Indudu, absolutely. And there's a bit of a discount there for you. So yes, I'm happy to say, avec les Claypots, I buy Indudu. Try it. I've got my meat pie here. I've got to finish my business, and then I'll continue advertising this. All I'm thinking about is everybody being able to grab a clay pot or two. Yes, and start using that in their kitchen. That'll be incredible. Yeah, don't forget, click on it by indudu.com, and I'm always ready to serve you. Thank you for your support.